Bonjour, mes amis. Comment allez-vous? It's Jessica from Nice. And today's video, I just wanted to give you some tips and tricks about solo traveling and how to be passport ready. So, first of all, thank you and welcome back to my channel. It has certainly been a very rough ride these past not even couple days, but past few hours of me just getting here. Everything did not go according to plan, and that's the first tip. Make sure that you're prepared for everything and nothing, because I did not expect to lose an entire bag of toiletries. How that happened, I'm still trying to figure that out. Running through Heathrow Airport because I got told to go to the wrong terminal. So that story is on my next video. So to be passport ready and to make sure that you have just about everything you need, tip number one is to make sure that you give your loved ones and your family a itinerary, your hotel and your flights and the activities that you'll be doing. Very important. Two is to make sure that you have your passport and to check to see that you have at least 6 months to a year left on it. Make sure that you check to see what your COVID-19 regulations are. Some countries are still doing it. And yeah, check to make sure that you have the correct amount of months and, go online and check. It'll be easy. Just go to the country's website and it should have it on there. Tip number 3 is to make sure that you don't overpack. A lot of times we tend to overpack and our bags can be too heavy. Me personally, it was the first time I ever had to check on into the plane because I stuffed my sweatsuit in at the last minute and it was like that much over. She was like, yeah, you got to check it. So I was worried, but no problems. And step number 4 is to always make sure that you have a good data plan, because you can't always depend on your services back in the States. Mine, I just had to buy a data pack because I was bouncing back and forth through Wi-Fi's and it's not a good thing. Next is to also try to make sure that you know a couple of phrases in your country's that you're going to language, just a sign of respect. And if there are any customs or anything, try to make sure that you have a respect for those. And dress appropriately because you don't want to start nothing, so just be prepared for that. And also, when you do your activities, make sure that you have fun with them. Book them according to plan. Make sure you have the right amount of time to get there, because I was late to mine today and I had to reschedule and pay another $80. So yeah, not fun. But it's definitely a learning experience. And just basically remember to have fun. If you're doing it by yourself, it is going to be a good thing because you're like, hey, I'm doing it. I did something good. Especially as a female solo traveler, it has definitely been an interesting ride for me. It's something that I am fearful of, but I am also totally happy that I did it. So yeah. And you're going to see groups of people together and it's going to be like, well, I wish I had somebody with me. But then I think, I'm doing my own thing and I'm doing it for a reason. I'm facing fears. I'm conquering it. I'm taking over the world. So until next time, au revoir.